Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Vinewood house MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the MLO, we just have to scroll down over here, then click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the house MLO which we just installed into a FiveM server. And this is the location in the map of the house, as you can see. So we will get a garage over here, as you can see. And this is the back side of our house over here. So let's get inside the house. And this is the interior of the house over here. And this is the back side of the house. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.